Hello there and welcome back to another Zone In video where I show you how to get the most out of your Google Workspace. In a previous video, we looked at Google Docs' inbuilt table templates, which can be found under Insert, Table, Table Templates, and they have 4 there. And if you want to know more about them, check out my previous video. Today we're going to be looking at something even better, which are a range of pre-built tables that Google have introduced in the Sheets. So for those of you like me who use Google Sheets for everything, and you spend a lot of time formatting your own tables to make it do and look exactly like you want, Google have gone a step further and made it easy for you. Now to access those, really easy, press Insert, Tables, and they appear on the right hand side over here. So you can see there is a range of table templates from event planning all the way through to marketing. So if I just open up the featured one, as you hover over it, a preview appears. And these are amazing because it takes a lot of the formatting and guesswork out of creating the tables. So whatever it may be, whether it's recruitment, whether it's event planning, whether it's project management, let's have a look at that, you know, tasks, priorities, etc., resources, something as even fun as planning your holiday, what you're going to do, your budget. All of these are already pre-built here for you, which makes it a lot easier. Let's take one as an example. Let's have a look at marketing and look at content tracking. So again, any of these templates that you want, you just have to press Insert, and here it is. And you can see it's already got some custom views. You can personalize it, and this is fantastic because everything that you need to manage your content is already here. So, and it's handy, it's pre-built with some things that you need, who the owner is, so you can tag it to someone, what the status is, the date, link to the file in your Google Docs, anything you might need. Now, a common question is, oh, but I need something special. You know, I don't just want a generic social media. I want individual social media, for example. Really easy. Press edit button. You can see the data validation comes over here, and we can just add another item and call it SoundCloud, for example, if that's a platform that you use. And done. And now you'll see SoundCloud appears on all of them. Here you go, SoundCloud. And so I hope you found that useful. Quick recap: insert, tables, the block appears, and then you can choose whichever type of table you want. Tell me, is this going to change your life? Is this going to make life easier for you? Let me know in the comments below how you're going to use it. And if you think it's a waste of time because I don't need any of this stuff, I just need it to do what I need it to do. Take care.